Yo, I feel like you gotta give me an A for effort. We're gonna get right into it. This is a 1-year review. I tried to make it as dark as possible for you guys so you guys can see. But before we start, man, I want you to comment down below. 2 sets have been on my car for a year. 1 set are brand new. I want you guys to tell me, and I'll go through them one more time. This is the front passenger, this is the driver's light. Is this one a year old or is it fresh? This is the rear passenger side. Is this one a year old or is it fresh? This is the rear passenger side. Is it a year old or is it fresh? And I'll tell you guys at the end, man. I want you guys to comment down below what you guys think, which ones are old and which ones are new. And I'll tell you, it's 2 of each. And then this is the passenger front. Is this one old or new, man? So I want you guys to comment down below which 2 sets are old or a year old and which ones are brand new. And I'm gonna give you guys a second, close all my doors, man. So you guys got a chance to go comment down below. I tried to make it all dark in the garage, man, so you guys can really get the full situation. You know, I wanted you guys to be able to really diagnose them. Let me see if I can give you guys both at the same time. Let's see. All right. Let me see if I can get the zoom or the focus. So which ones are brand new? Which ones are old? Comment down below. Hurry up, man. I ain't got all day, man. Hurry up. Let's start this, man. I know you guys don't want to wait and all this other stuff, man. I just want to show everybody, man, that, you know, things are going to happen regardless, man. Like, if you have something on your car, every time you get in the door in your car, man, the lights are going to come on every single time. So, I don't know what other mods you got on your car. Like, anytime you sit down in your car, you're going to open your door. And these lights are going to get used, man. So, even if you're just getting groceries out your car, man, your car is gonna get used, the light's gonna turn on. So there's gonna be, you know, a certain situation or a certain time when the lights gotta be, you know, freshed up, you know. But after a year, this is where we at. This could be brand new or this is a year. Tell me, comment down below. All right, man, real quick video, man. I'm gonna tell you guys which ones are new and which ones are old right now. I know I said like the orientation and, you know, oh, this is the passenger or whatever. I know I messed up, but I'll tell you guys which ones are the real ones. You actually can kind of tell by the color. Actually, I think it's better on this side because you can kind of get, and I can turn the lights off, but you can get the full, man, don't worry about my garage. I know it's junky. It's always junky, man, because I'm always working. I'm gonna show you guys my little office, man. Don't see too much, don't see too much. This is the heat press. This is the vinyl cutter and all that, man. But anyway, let's go back. I'm gonna show you guys and I'm gonna show you, let me turn the lights off so you can get the full understanding of the lights. Comment down below, last chance, man. Also, man, subscribe, man. And also, man, this is after 1 year. Like, 2 of these lights out of 4 have been on my car for a full 1 year. Opening my door 10 times a day times 365. So that's over probably 3,000 times. The light, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off. You know, I'm keeping the door open now. So the light is just on, just frying, burning. But not like those cheap ones that you get all over the place, man, where, you know, they fade out and they get all blurry. And I've had some of those before too, man. But the ones that I got right now, man, this is after a year, man. And comment down below if you guys got these and how long you've been rocking with them and if they still fresh or whatever, man, so everybody else can know. But these, you know, comment down below. If you guys want a set, link in the description for sure. You can go to my website or you can get it from Amazon, man. I don't care. It's up to you. Whatever you are comfortable with, man, I appreciate it regardless, man, whichever way you go. But that's just my little ad real quick. But hold on, let me show you real quick. These have been on my car for a year. And you can kind of tell, like right here, where it's like a little fuzzy. The rest of the light is dope, man. It's all cool. Like you probably, I don't know if you guys saw it, probably because, you know, I'm like zooming in on it, you guys can really see it, but just walking by and somebody just noticing the lights, you can't really even tell. But like right here where the light is, it's a little fuzzy, you know, as opposed to these are the brand new ones that I just put on today. And the color's a little different, it's a little darker, but you can see how these, like the light area is still like kind of fresh. it's still real sharp, you know. And if we zoom out, you can see like the actual color of the brand new one is a little sharper, it's a little darker. But honestly, man, like the actual, hold on, let me see if I can turn the car on. Like the light inside the car, let me see, hold on. Yeah, I don't know, man, either way, man, it matched. Either way, it matched. But I think I might like, after they've been like this color a little bit better, man, even though I've had them for a year and that part is a little blurry, the actual color, hold on, let me see. I mean, the color is dope regardless. You know, this is definitely more blue. I know it's probably not showing up on the camera, but these are definitely more blue and a lot more sharper. It's like if you need glasses, like, you know, you reading things or seeing things, it's like, I don't know. It's like you got to really be able to like see up close, man. But the colors are a little bit different, but they both were dope, especially after a year. But anyway, yeah, man, this one, I've had these for a year. And this is the driver door, so you know this get the most use out of all the doors, you know, because I'm always opening the car door. I mean, like the driver door, even if I'm not driving, I'm doing things with it. I'm always opening this door. So after a year, man, I think that's pretty dope, you know, to still be kind of fresh, you know, outside of that little light part in the front, but you wouldn't even be able to notice that unless I told you guys, man, as opposed to just crispy all around, you know, just crispy. But anyway, man, I appreciate you guys, man. Started out with 3 9s, man. They should have gave them to me. We would have had something nice. Instead, we got that shit. I was trying to get like the real, like, you know, the zoom like that so you guys can see all the doors at the same time, but like I just can't get back far enough, and it's like, I don't know, I need like a drone or something. But anyway, man, I appreciate you guys, man. Comment down below. Like I said, man, if you guys want a set of these lights, we got other colors too. We got red, white, green, yellow, you know, link in the description down below. But anyway, man, I appreciate you guys, man. Peace out.